What if the situation were to arise where you would like to control only one outlet on a receptacle by a switch, and the other outlet you would like to function as a normal outlet, always having power? Doing this is easy. Remember, both outlets can be powered by a single incoming hot wire being attached to one of the brass terminals on the right side of the receptacle. These tabs on the side of the receptacle allow electricity to flow from one outlet to the other. These tabs are removable by design to stop the flow of incoming current from one outlet to the other, and to use each outlet independently. Simply take a pair of needle nose pliers and remove this tab. Now, incoming current will only affect the outlet adjacent to the nearest brass terminal. To see how to wire this scenario, let's go back to our previous example of the switch loop, where the switch at the end of the run is controlling the receptacle. In this case, we will choose the top outlet to be controlled by the switch, and the bottom outlet we will wire so that it will function as a normal live outlet. First, we will remove the right tab between the two outlets. This will prevent current on the top from passing to the bottom outlet. Next, we will add a pigtail. We will connect this pigtail to the hot wires connected here by the wire nut, and then we will connect the other end of the pigtail to the brass terminal adjacent to the bottom outlet. Now, if electricity were flowing through the circuit, it would arrive at this point and then pass down the pigtail into the receptacle's lower outlet. Then it would return back to ground through the neutral wire if a plug were inserted. At the same time, current would arrive at this point, continue on down the line until it reached the switch. If the switch were open in the on position, the current would pass through and continue back to the receptacle by this black wire, arriving at the top terminal of the receptacle. If something were plugged in this outlet, current would flow out and return back to ground using the neutral wire on the receptacle. Notice that since this tab is still in place, both outlets are using the same neutral wire to return the electricity back to ground. As always, if you're ever unsure how to wire any situation, be safe and contact a licensed professional electrician.